But a toothpaste cap screwer is never paid very much money, and poor Mr. Bucket, however hard he worked and however fast he screwed on the caps, was never able to make enough to buy one half of the things that so large a family needed. So here, who is a little screwer actually? Screwer means who is screwing the caps of toothpaste actually. And who was doing this work? Mr. Bucket. Mr. Bucket was doing this work all day. He was very fast. He was always closing the caps of toothpaste in a very fast way. Okay, he was working very hard, but still he was not able to earn this much money that he could fulfill the needs of his family. Okay, so he and his family was always poor. Okay, there wasn't enough money to buy proper food for them all. The only meals they could afford were bread and margarine. Okay, what is margarine? Margarine is a kind of product which looks like butter. It's a butter like product actually. Okay, so with the money which they were earning, they could only afford bread and margarine. Means for breakfast, what they were eating? Bread and butter or margarine. Boiled potatoes and cabbage for lunch. In lunch, what they were eating? Boiled potatoes and cabbage soup for supper. Supper means dinner. In dinner, they were having cabbage soup. So these all things you have to keep in mind. Okay, Sundays were a bit better. They all looked forward to Sunday. Looked forward means waited. They all waited for Sunday because on Sundays they were having a better food, because then although they had exactly the same, everyone was allowed a second helping. Okay, so they were having different choices to eat food on Sundays. Okay, the Buckets of course did not starve. Starve means to be hungry, to face hunger. Okay, but every one of them, the old two grandfathers and the two old grandmothers, Charlie's father, mother, and especially little Charlie himself, went about from morning till night with a horrible empty feeling in their tummies. Okay, so maybe they were not starving, they were not dying due to hunger, but actually they were hungry because they could not fill their empty tummies. Actually means they were having this food, bread and butter, cabbage soup and all, but still they were feeling their stomach empty. Okay, Charlie felt it worst of all, and although his father and mother often went without their own share of lunch and supper so that they could give it to him, it still wasn't nearly enough for a growing boy. So, what is the meaning of this line? Charlie was always feeling hungry. Okay, his father and mother were always sharing their food, lunch and supper. Supper means dinner with Charlie. Means they were eating less food and they were giving more food to Charlie, but still Charlie was not fulfilled. Okay, he was not having a filled tummy because he was a growing boy. That is why father and mother were giving their food to Charlie. He desperately means hopelessly, wanted something more filling and satisfying than cabbage and cabbage soup. They were having cabbage and cabbage soup daily, and Charlie did not like it. He wanted to eat and drink something else. Okay, but they were not having money. They were very poor that they could not afford this much. The one thing he longed means wanted for more than anything else, was chocolate. Very important thing. One thing which was the most favorite of Charlie was chocolates. Actually, he had a desire of eating chocolates. Okay, walking to school in the morning, Charlie could see great slabs of chocolate. Slabs means slices of chocolate, pieces of chocolates piled up means having in collection. Okay, high in the shop windows, and he would stoop and stare and press his nose against the glass, his mouth watering like mad. So when he was going to school or when he was coming to school, on the way there were some chocolate shops. So what Charlie was doing, you can see this picture. He was standing near the glass window and was just watching the slabs and bars of chocolates, and he wanted to have it, but he was not getting pocket money like you, so he was not having this. Okay, many times a day he would see other children taking bars of creamy chocolate out of their pockets and munching them greedily, and that of course was pure torture. So when Charlie was watching other children eating and enjoying chocolate, he was feeling very bad. Okay, this was a torture for him, because when he was watching others eating chocolate, then he was having a desire to eat chocolate more. This happens with you also. Sometimes when you want to have something, and when you see other children enjoying those things, you also feel bad about it. Okay, so Charlie was also feeling very bad when other children were eating chocolate, but he could not. Okay, only once a year on his birthday did Charlie Bucket ever get to taste a bit of chocolate. The whole family saved up their money, this is very important line, for that special occasion, and when the great day arrived, Charlie was always presented with one small bar of chocolate. So what is the meaning of these lines? So when it was Charlie's birthday, then he was given a chocolate. Don't think Charlie had never eaten chocolate. He has eaten chocolate. Okay, on his birthday he was getting one chocolate bar, and the family was always saving money for Charlie's birthday actually. So on birthday he was getting one chocolate which he was enjoying a lot, and that he was eating by himself only. He was eating it alone. He was not sharing with anybody. Okay, and each time he received it on those marvelous birthday mornings, marvelous means wonderful. Okay, he would place it carefully in a small wooden box that he owned and treasure it as though it were a bar of solid gold. Treasure means to keep it like a costly, valuable thing. So what Charlie was doing, whenever he was getting a bar of chocolate, he was keeping it in a wooden box. For many days he was not eating it as if it was a gold or it was very valuable thing. He was always saving it, he was always watching it. Okay, and at last after next few days, when he was not allowed to, he was not able to stop himself, what he was doing, he was eating it. Okay, he would allow himself only to look at it but never to touch it, and then at last when he would stand it no longer, means when he was not able to control himself, he would peel back a tiny bit of paper wrapping. Wrapping means cover. He was removing the cover of chocolate, and then what he was doing, he was enjoying it. Okay.